Hi, today we have an auto foaming dispenser to wash your cats. It has the containers where you can fill it up with soap and water, and then it creates the foam that comes out through here. This is silicone, so it's soft for your pet when you want to brush in the soap into his coat when you're washing him. And it's also detachable, so once you're done, you can take it off and wash it to make sure that it's clean for the next wash. And it also comes with a charger.
Prior to using it, make sure you test it on your animals so they won't be scared when it turns on and when the foam comes out. So here we are training our cat to get used to it, and then we're going to take him a shower, a bath actually with this. So we're going to use it right now and fill it up and take him a bath with it. All right, let's take a look at a couple modes before we wash our cat. So we're going to turn it on right now. And to turn it on is simple. You guys can see it. There it goes. And if you guys notice, I just put a little bit. Then you go hit the different modes too. Slow it down. But look at this thing. Look how much it's foaming automatically. That's just a little bit of water and soap. It's crazy. We just took him a bath. He looks super clean. He doesn't like baths, but we got them all cleaned up and ready to go. So the product was very simple to use. All you got to do is dry them up.